What do you guys think of this new look? We've had a few changes to the company over the last week behind the scenes, so we've been dealing with that for the last week. But don't worry, we didn't forget about you guys. We have a ton of videos coming for you soon. We have a bunch of new stereo videos coming out, including an HD screen Kenwood. We got a Forza racing simulation, so we're gonna test that out, set it up, and have fun with that. Plus, we'll try to get some installs done too. But let's not skip top comments. Here we go. Brandon Stroud. Yeah, don't forget to blow the ladies' clothes off with your woofers. I wonder how many douchebag awards this guy has. Almost as many as you, bud. I really hope you don't use that profile picture for your Grindr account. Exotic whips. Anybody know where to connect the ground to? That's pretty simple, bud. Just connect the ground wire of your aftermarket harness to the ground wire of the factory harness. You could also try opening up the manual. Oscar Martinez, when will the Sony AX7000 be available for purchase? I don't f***ing know. Do I look like I work at Sony? Does it say Sony on my shirt? Comes out when it comes out, bud. I don't know. Ray99, I would appreciate some help. I have two 12-inch CVX 4-ohm running off a Kicker ZX 1501, but they don't bang as hard as they should. That being said, can I drop them to a 2-ohm or just upgrade the amp? You got two problems here, bud. You're starving those subwoofers. Those subwoofers combine for 1500 watts RMS, and you wire them to a 4-ohm load to get 750 watts RMS out of them? It's a waste of money. Your next problem is two dual voice coil 4-ohm subwoofers cannot make a 2-ohm load. They can either be wired to 1-ohm in parallel or 4-ohm in series parallel. And that amplifier is not stable at 1 ohms. Big surprise. People messing up their gear. So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna light that amplifier on fire. You're gonna go to qualitymobilevideo.com. Go to the monoblock amplifier section and look for an amplifier with a power range of about 1350 watts to about 1650 watts RMS at 1 ohm. Then wire those subs in parallel to that monoblock amplifier. Then you'll get the actual potential power out of those subs in your system. Do you newbies even do any research before you buy No, yeah, I'll take that subwoofer. I'll take two of those subwoofers. I don't know what the they are. Give me a couple of those amplifiers. Two stereos. Yeah, I'll put two stereos in my car. That'll be fine. You guys sell weed here too? Paul Frankham. So how long did it take to install that Sony stereo system? Great English, as always. Took about 18 months. Took a half a day. Come on. That's all we got. It was a quiet week, guys. We get what we deserve. We didn't get any videos up. But we have a ton coming for you soon, so stay tuned. And as always, go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave your comments below and join the conversation. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. And say hello to your mother for me.